Mousy, I didn't see you there.
Hi, Horsey.
What are you doing there?
That's when I came over to ask you. What are you doing?
Oh, well, I just got done building all of these here snowmen.
Wow, you built all of those? Those are really cool.
Thank you, Mousy. They were fun to build.
I bet they were.
Hey, I have an idea. Do you want to help me build some more? Then we can have fun together.
I can't.
Why not? You don't like building snowmen in the snow?
No, I like building snowmen well enough, Horsey. But Mother Mouse made me wear this big heavy sweater today. It's so thick, I can't even move my front legs.
Oh, I don't want to hurt your feelings, Mousie, but it looks a little bit too big for you.
It is too big for me. Mother Mouse ordered extra, extra, extra large so that as I grow, it will still fit me years and years and years from now.
Oh, sorry, Mousie.
I know, I can barely move. I can't have any fun today.
Oh, we can still have fun, Mousie.
Really, how?
Well, maybe you could help me with my special project.
Your special project?
Sure.
What's your special project, Horsey?
Well, as I was building my snowman, I was thinking to myself, wouldn't it be fun if one of my snowmen came to life and then we could have fun together?
Oh, well, I never thought of that, but that's an interesting idea.
I know I started writing a rap poem about it.
A rat poem?
No, not a rat poem, a rap poem.
Oh, what's a rap poem?
You know, it's like those rap artists write, Mousie.
So now you're a rap artist?
Well, not exactly, but everybody has to start somewhere. Do you want to hear my rap poem?
Well, all right, go ahead.
Here goes. Yo, man, snowman, frosty headed toe man. I wish you were real, you know. Then we could play here in the snow.
Hey, you know what, Horsey? That poem isn't bad. It's very catchy.
Oh, thank you, Mousy. I'm glad you liked it. So can you help me with it?
Help you with it? You already finished it and it sounds fine.
Oh, but Mousy, rap poems are really much longer than just one verse. I need to think of other things I could do with my snowman. Can't you think of anything?
I don't know, Horsey. I'm not very good with rhymes and poetry and all that stuff.
You have a good imagination.
No, I don't really have a good imagination. I do have a good appetite, though. I'm always hungry.
Oh, Mousy, and
You know what?
what?
My appetite just gave me an idea for your poem.
It did?
Yes, how about if.
No, let me hear you rap it.
Okay, here goes. Yo, man, snowman, frosty head to toe man. I wish you were real, you know. Then we could eat cheese in the snow.
Hey, cheese!
Yeah, isn't that good?
Oh, Mousy, I don't think a snowman would want to Eat cheese?
Of course a snowman would want to eat cheese, Horsey. Everybody loves cheese.
I don't really think so.
Really? Have you ever talked with a snowman about it? Have you ever asked a snowman if it would like some cheese?
Well, no, because a snowman isn't alive.
Well, trust me, Horsey. If your snowman really came to life, it would love to eat cheese in the snow.
You think so?
Yes. Although I wouldn't really want to eat it in the snow, I would rather eat cheese in a snow fort.
Mousy, that gives me a wonderful idea.
It does?
Yeah, listen. Yo, man, snowman, frosty head to toe, man. I wish you were real, you know. Then we could build a snow fort in the snow.
Oh, that's good. So now you have three ideas: play in the snow, eat cheese in the snow, and build a snow fort in the snow with your snowman.
Oh, Mousy, I need more.
I think Mother Mouse is calling me. Just a minute, Mother Mouse!
I didn't hear Mother Mouse.
I'm sure I heard her. I really have to go, Horsey.
Oh, Mousy, please.
You know, Horsey, since we've been talking, I've been thinking there are lots of things you could do with your snowman in the snow. You could go sledding in the snow. You could go slipping and sliding in the snow. You could do lots of things. I'm sure you'll think of more. I have to go now.
Okay, Mousy. Thank you for those extra ideas.
That's okay. I have one more idea for you.
You do?
Sure, you could walk with your snowman in the snow, just like I'm going to do right this minute.
Oh, that's a good one, Mousy.
I would wave goodbye, Horsey, but I can't move my legs.
I understand. Bye, Horsey.
Bye, Mousy. Wait a minute. Okay, bye, Horsey.
Bye, Mousy. There goes Mousy, walking in the snow. I could gallop in the snow with my snowman, and I could race in the snow, and I could do lots of things in the snow. Yay!